The process of generating electricity in geothermal power plants. Geothermal power plants utilize a production well, heat exchanger, turbine, generator, condenser, cooling tower, and injection well for this purpose. This is how geothermal power plants operate. The production wells are drilled deep into the earth to pump steam or hot water to the surface. Once the water reaches the surface, the pressure drops, often assisted by a heat exchanger, causing it to turn into steam. This steam is then directed to spin a turbine connected to a generator which produces electricity. The electricity generated is distributed via the electric distribution network, supplying power to both industrial and residential consumers. Meanwhile, the condensed steam, now returned to its liquid state, passes through a condenser to cool it down. Subsequently, a cooling tower further cools the water before it is pumped back into the earth through an injection well, completing the cycle and allowing the process to begin anew.